Being effective at home is difficult for many reasons. Thankfully, there are actions that can be taken to help you turn your everyday mundane tasks into effective routines. Creating a dedicated workspace is step one and is perhaps the most important investment. In this video, I'll give you a tour of a classic ergonomic home desk setup, which can be used with both Macs and PCs, focusing on two key aspects: versatility and ergonomics. Let's begin. Hey guys, this is E, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Iskren, and most people call me E, and let's start with the desk. This one is from a company called Autonomous, famous for setting the standard for smart desks. They were kind enough to send me their SmartDesk 2 Premium, which is a fully adjustable standing desk built on a sturdy steel frame, complete with 4 programmable height settings. It suits a wide range of sit-stand needs. Featuring a powerful motorized foundation, this thing lifts up quietly in seconds at a press of a button, and it is perfect for when you need to stretch your legs or work actively. It comes in 2 sizes, classic like this one, and XL, arriving in a wide choice of beautiful top finishes, offering a variety of color frames to match your decor. Personally, I went for the white oak top and gray frame. Assembling it was straightforward and effortless. The desk comes with a keypad that enables you to program 4 custom height presets, making it perfect for the entire household. As the dual motors produce only 45 decibels, you can glide almost silently between your favorite sitting and standing positions at a touch of a button. The standard SmartDesk 2 starts at $379, which is non-motorized desk territory, and I couldn't recommend it more. Also, Autonomous provides awesome cable management solutions, but mine is from IKEA. While on the topic of standing and sitting, the perfect match and perhaps the most valuable health investment that I've personally made is the chair that you see, which is none other than the Herman Miller Embody. I don't consider this a chair, but rather an extension of my sitting needs. Now, the initial price of this chair might be a bit scary for some, and in case you decide to invest in one of those marvels, your expectations knowing the price might be turned down at first. But trust me when I say that after sitting on this chair for a week and then sitting on anything else out there, I felt like I'm part of the plot of The Princess and the Pea. If it's not Embody, it's not for me. It even rhymes. This chair runs standard for around $1,600, but it's worth every single penny. If you can get it for less or even secondhand in good condition, you are in for a treat. Just know that more than 20 physicians and PhDs in the fields of biomechanics, vision, physical therapy, and ergonomics contributed their experience in the development of this chair. Moving on to the monitor, this is my most recent acquisition, the 32-inch LG Ultrafine 4K display, model number 32UL950-W. This is a 31.5-inch 4K Nano IPS monitor with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, and it comes with the title Ultrafine. LG has 3 main consumer monitor categories: Ultra Gear, which targets gamers, Ultra Wide, which is self-explanatory, and this one, Ultra Fine. But don't get it confused with the ugly offspring that they did with Apple a while back, the one with the thick bezels. This is a big-sized and most of all color-accurate display that looks sleek and even works for those occasional gaming sessions out there. I would recommend this display to anyone who deals with creative work and wants something a little bit bigger than the standard 27-inch sizes out there. It is perfect for MacBooks, and yes, it has USB-C charging capabilities up to 60 watts. It also works great with PC, desktops and laptops and all sorts of computers pretty much. 8 months later, I can easily recommend this display. If you notice, however, it is not sitting on its original stand, but on a monitor arm by AVLT. AVLT focuses on delivering stylish ergonomic mounts and stands. The one that you see here is their laboratory-grade single 33-pound monitor mount, which comes with gas shock, which tension can be manually increased to hold even ultra-wide displays. It also has connectivity in the front, but I don't find it useful in my configuration. Behind the monitor is tucked away the laptop that is currently used in this setup, but this is not the focus of this tour. What I can briefly focus on, however, is the stand that the laptop is cradled in, which is useful if you consider to go for a non-desktop configuration like we have here. This is Omoton vertical laptop stand, which is very inexpensive but extremely well built. Made from aluminum, it can hold any Mac or PC laptop, no matter the thickness, since it can be adjusted. It also comes with protective silicone mat around the groove, avoiding scratches to your devices and ensuring stable position. Before we talk about sound, let me mention that I have prepared a cheaper alternative of this setup, where you can see substantial savings from the things like the chair, monitor, and speakers. It is live on my blog, and I'll put a link in the description below. Talking about my blog, I'd like to thank Squarespace for not only sponsoring this video and supporting the channel, but also for their incredibly easy website platform. Seriously, if you want a new website and you have 5 minutes, Squarespace is definitely your next stop, and I'm telling you this as a person who has been building professional websites for years. For my blog, all I had to do is register, choose a template, and explore the provided easy-to-go tools, and I ended up with this clean-looking, aesthetically pleasing portfolio and blog website that, if needed, I can turn into an online store as well. All of Squarespace templates render beautifully on all devices, desktops, tablets, and smartphones, and one of my personal favorite features is Squarespace's dedicated apps for admin and analytics. So if an idea comes to mind, all I need is my smartphone and boom, I update my curated wallpaper section instantly. If I want to know how the traffic is performing, I can just glance at my phone. From claiming my domain name to scheduling my upcoming content, Squarespace has me covered. If you want to build your own website, go to squarespace.com or follow the link in the description below. So let's talk about sound and the beautiful white bookshelf speakers by Kanto Audio. If you are an audiophile and you are looking for something that can easily fill your room with rich, spacious sound, look no further. Featuring carefully designed 4-inch Kevlar drivers and 1-inch silk dome tweeters, this YU4 model reproduces sound at its fullest. Featuring Bluetooth 4.0, phono preamp, optical and auxiliary inputs, the YU4 is a perfect pair of classic, high-quality powered speakers. It even comes with remote control that makes everything so much easier by quickly switching between the sources and, of course, your playback. If you're looking for something even smaller and maybe just computer-oriented, check out my review of Kanto's dedicated powered speakers YU2, which I'll link right below the like button. For when I need to focus even more and make sure that my video sound settings are on point, I tend to rely on the classic in the genre, the Audio-Technica M50X BT. This is by far my favorite pair of headphones. The 45mm drivers deliver exceptional studio quality sound, and I love the fact that they support Bluetooth 5.0. That translates to low latency and quicker pairing process, as well as 4 times the wireless distance. If you're serious about your sound and how you experience media, the M50X BTs are a great choice at a very reasonable cost. So the mouse that I always go back to at the end of the day is the Apple Magic Mouse 2. Sure, it's not ergonomic, and a lot of people hate it, although I'm not sure why we need all this negative energy out there. But to me, this mouse is the perfect mouse trackpad combo, and there's nothing that can beat it when it comes to creative projects and endless horizontal and vertical scrolling. Scrolling, by the way, which is silky smooth. Yes, it's not a gaming mouse, and it might be a bit of a threat for a mouse shoulder, but considering my Mac needs and the built-in gestures, this mouse never leaves my desk even if I switch to something else, knowing that eventually I'll get back to it. When it comes to the keyboard, the Logitech K380 is an absolute jewel. It is a multi-device solution that works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, iOS, and even Apple TV. Switching between devices happens quick with just a press of a button. What's more, the keyboard is extremely stylish and comes in a variety of colors. The extra small footprint in combination with the scooped low-profile scissor keys is like a fine bottle of scotch for my fingers, offering a fluid, quiet laptop-like typing experience. What's more, the keyboard costs $40. What more do you need? The rest of the items are IKEA. We are all familiar with the variety of fake floor that can make any setup looking minimal and magazine-like. What I want to point out is IKEA's solution to wireless charging, which they call Live Bosch, and it's really this USB-C powered puck which comes in both black and white, and it costs $5. Sure, it doesn't come with a cable or a power brick, but come on, it's only $5 and it looks really minimal. It's been an absolute pleasure. This is E, over and out.